Yeah, and our siding on the house that my mom tried to repair, it obviously didn't work, and it didn't hold. Just swaying in the breeze like it was nothing. And as you can see, the tree in the background is still flailing around. Oh, man. And this isn't even the worst of it. Oh, shit. Man, that was my premier filming location. That damn thing is sliding all around. See these power lines moving up and down. This tree directly in front of me, swaying around.
It's not tangled in the power line.
No, it's not. Thank God it's not tangled in the power line, but it is fallen. Attempting to fix this so it doesn't fall off and they're trying to wrap it around with bungee cord. Whoa.
Yeah, maybe it'll a little more damage. I'm stoked now.
And they fixed it. Cool, they fixed it. Right.
It's starting to come out the house, though.
Yeah, it is. As you can see, it's just hitting me in the face. I am your fearless Whoa! I am your fearless reporter, and they are your fearless... Whoa! Yep, and just more of the same. Wow. Hurricane Gustav. Just, man. The things Mother Nature will do when she's mad. This big freaking limb fell in our yard. Yeah, I do. Alright, this big limb fell in our yard. 3 limbs. Oh, I thought it was one big one, but 3. Okay, alright, 3 medium limbs fell in our yard. No, alright, this is pretty much the heart of the storm. This is as bad as it is going to get. As you can see, the wind is just pushing the trees around like they're nothing. Oh my God, this is incredible. And pretty much be filming from here on out. There was all kinds of rain. Stinging rain. Rain that flew in from the side. Big old fat rain. Holy shit. There's our tree from before. Still holding strong. Stay up free. Yeah, I do. What?
He's down.
Okay.
You see? The whole fence. I hope it didn't hit the cars. Oh my God.
Here I go out front.
No, I got it right here. Ah, beautiful. Shit. Alright, here you go.
Be careful. Oh. Man, this is... And